a.m. Eastern, and we can have a stop loss just below the low over here. So what we're doing essentially is we're seeing a lot of aggressive sellers over here. Therefore, we are anticipating the sellout, the exhaustion of these sellers, which is what creates the low of the candle in the first place. Right, so now from here, where do we target? Right, now that order flow has confirmed this level, well, we're simply looking to target, really, we're looking to target the first kind of 1 minute fair value gap, because the S&P 500 reacts pretty aggressively to these fair value gaps. So if we continue to play price on, what we can see is price eventually does give us a nice 1 to 2 or even nice 1 to 3 RR. But I'm just going to go over something, because I want traders to understand exactly what is going on between the buyers and the sellers. This zone is very, very important. And the reason for that, the reason why this zone is so important is because we're actually reading the order flow. And I want traders to understand, what does this mean when we're inside a 15-minute fair value gap? Because if I break this down, I want traders to understand this, right? We are going to understand exactly what this means, right? So we are going to look at this and we are going to understand exactly what this means, right? So when you see 4K, right, you're seeing 4K 843. This corresponds to this price action. We are seeing so many more aggressive sellers, right? But these aggressive sellers were unable to break this level. This is the level the sellers couldn't break, right? What's even more interesting is that we have a second rejection. So this is the rejection you see over here, just below the 10 a.m. Eastern. So what we're seeing over here is we're seeing 2K for 595. So we see so many more aggressive sellers than buyers, despite that the market was able to reject off this level and then move to the upside. And this is exactly what we look for over here in all of our trades, right? So whenever you're trading and you're unstuck on what indicator to use or what fair value gaps to use, always remember your trading will probably be blinded unless you're reading the interaction between buyers and sellers, right? So that's a quick trade recap I wanted to give people. If you like this video, give it a like, give it a thumbs up, and I look forward to seeing all of you in the next one.